Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Chevy Spark oil change light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure all your doors are completely closed. This is a crucial first step to ensure the system is ready for the reset. You'll be using the accelerator pedal, so get ready to press it a few times. This easy method will save you a trip to the mechanic. Now, with the ignition still in the on position, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds. On the third press, hold the pedal down for a few seconds. You might hear a chime or see a message on your dashboard indicating the reset is in progress or complete. This rapid pressing signals the vehicle's computer to begin the oil life monitor reset sequence. After completing the accelerator pedal presses, turn your ignition completely to the off position. Give it a few moments, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds, before you restart your engine. Once you restart, check your dashboard display. The oil life monitor should now show 100%, indicating a successful reset. If it doesn't, you might need to repeat the process one more time. Remember to perform this simple reset procedure after every oil change to ensure your oil life monitor is accurate. While this method is common, always consult your Chevy Spark's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions. Regular oil changes are vital for maintaining your engine's health and extending its lifespan, so don't skip them. This easy reset helps you stay on top of your vehicle's maintenance schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.